Magandang hapon po ng April 15, 2025 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng April 15, 2025 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, April 15, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for April 15, 2025, Tuesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, and Lotto 642 for Tuesday, April 15, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for April 15, 2025, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.